First, we need to understand what we mean by the term human factors. Although there are several definitions for human factors, a widely accepted definition from the Health and Safety Executive in the UK says, human factors are the environmental, organizational, and job factors in human individual characteristics which influence behavior at work in a way which can affect health and safety. A simple way to view human factors is to think about three aspects: the job, the individual, and the organization, and how they impact on people's health and safety-related behavior. It is the study of how humans behave and interact with each other and their surroundings, and how this has the potential to lead to error and ultimately compromise safety. It is important to understand that the study of human factors is not a new concept. Human factors, originally known as ergonomics, was first discussed and popularized within the military and in particular the aviation industry during the Second World War. As technology became more advanced, it was noted that the level of error by the operator also increased. At this moment, we will discuss about human factors in air traffic services. Human factor in air traffic services provides you with a basic understanding of the general principles and concepts. It will also enable you to contribute towards a positive safety culture. Some instances of this could be attributed to poor design. For example, putting a button or instrument panel in the wrong position, making it difficult for the operator to interact with. You may have experienced something similar to this in everyday life. For example, you pull a door which should have been pushed. A truly effective design should prevent this error from happening. Other examples could be attributed directly to the individual and the effects of increased cognitive workload or stress and how this can increase the risk of error. In this course, you will learn 1. Introduction of human factor. This unit will provide explanation about human factor and conceptual model human factor. 2. Human physiology. This unit will describe the nature of human and its physiological work condition. 3. Social psychology. This unit will provide explanation about social psychology. 4. Automation. This unit will describe the development of automation that can have an impact on human factors. 5. Human error and its management. This unit will define human errors and how they affect human performance and how to manage the condition. 6. The final test. Participants must complete all modules. When the initial module has been completed, it is obligatory to finish on the mastery test, with minimal passing grade that is used as the next module key. Of course, you can have combinations of all of these. For example, interaction with a poorly designed piece of complicated equipment in a time of increased stress, which is likely to increase the risk of error. Although human factors and ergonomics are essentially the same topic, we now frequently refer to human factors when referring to the cognitive aspects of human error, and ergonomics with regards to the physical aspects, such as the workplace, the environment, or physical design. For the purpose of this short course, we will be focused on some of the cognitive aspects of human factors in air traffic services. We have some important things about course rules. Rule number 1, this course can be completed within 2 weeks. Rule number 2, the final test can be taken after completing all the mastery tests and according to the date predetermined. Rule number 3, minimum score or passing grade is 70. Rule number 4, the mastery test can only be taken 2 times whether you have passed the grade or not. Another important point to remember is that as long as humans are involved in the process, there will always be the chance of error. Nobody, no matter how careful they try to be, is perfect. Professor James Reason, one of the world's foremost experts in human factors, once said, "Sometimes the best people in the world can make the worst mistakes. That should not be seen as a bad thing rather than a reality." Once we understand this, we can look at human error far more objectively and use the study of human factors to help reduce error from occurring. It also allows us to change our approach to human error so that we can support those who may have fallen into an error, rather than blaming them for the error that occurred. We will discuss this more in our 2-week course as we try to look at ways to foster and improve a safety culture. Enjoy learning with enthusiasm.